Hey guys, what's going on? Very excited for our AITX interview. If you haven't checked out the prior video, make sure you go and check on that video. If you have any questions on artificial intelligence robotics in that video, make sure you comment your question and we will go ahead and ask the CEO himself in regards to your question. We're talking about Hmbl today. I don't understand why it dropped so much. I'm really curious myself because Forbes just wrote an article about Hmbl and how it's an NFT play. If anybody has played NFT plays like TCAT or anything like that before, it has made tremendous moves after they announce that they are in the NFT world. So I'm really unsure as to why Hmbl decided to make this sort of move after we just get news. As you can see here, TCAT, jumped from a 77-cent stock to 70-something cent, and I was definitely looking forward for that to happen for Hmbl, but I have no clue why. I mean, and there's nothing to chart, and that's if any of you guys know about any news that happened, definitely comment on the comment section below, because I'm not sure what exactly is going on, and there's really no calls for it to do so. I mean, the only thing we can do is really check out the volume, maybe, in regards to actually, I don't know what's going on here, but there doesn't seem to be a volume. Actually, let me just add it. Actually, I think it's through here. So yeah, if you guys have any idea as to why we dumped today, please let me know, because I don't think this is justified. And as for volume, we have the same amount of volume after the ticker change. Maybe this is a sell the news situation, I'm not sure. It's definitely confusing and definitely not something that we look forward to as investors, but try to reach out to the guy to see if there's any way we could interview him. But if you haven't read the article, check out the article from Forbes. It's on his Twitter page. If you look at Hmbl, very positive news. And again, I don't understand why it would drop so much after such news came out. So let me know. As for the market, I am still bearish. I'm in puts. I am down $2,900 today, but mainly due to Hmbl. Choppy market, which everyone hates. I am still bearish. We are not getting above this 395.97 level. Rejected again right here, and I don't know where we're gonna go. I definitely see us retracing. I don't understand how we can continue upwards, because if you guys know what happened on Friday was, we were near 391. There was no scenario for us to just pop end of day for, I believe, like $5. But the news about the Chinese guy, I believe Brian Huang or something like that, or Chinese fund covering. What caused the market rip Friday? It's crazy how this stupid thing doesn't show up, but it was because of somebody who was short the U.S. markets and long Chinese stocks. Apparently got forced to cover his margin, causing a rip in the U.S. markets. So I don't understand how we were on a downtrend and all of a sudden we are trying to make a new high when we were actually headed downwards at first. I don't understand. It doesn't make sense to me. Liquidating stocks. Here you go. Hedge fund blow up sends shockwaves through Wall Street and the city. This might be the article, but the Chinese one was what caused the market to go up because it was short the US markets. I don't get it. I don't see, if we were on a downtrend, all of a sudden this news comes out and we rip. I understand that. But for you to hold this level when we were on a downtrend, and the reason being that it popped because somebody got margin called. Doesn't make any sense for me to stay up here. And besides that, if we're looking at like an Elliott wave, this is probably the relief bounce, and I see us definitely coming down to at least 388.67, maybe to 385.28. If I'm being like super bearish, I could definitely see us hitting 381.86. 388, we're definitely gonna get a bounce there. So if you are short, try to look at covering here. Again, the same financial advice, but I'm just playing the levels. I am in puts. If you guys can see, these are my puts. They're down pretty bad. Like I said, we're down $2,700 today, $2,900 prior, but we are down, and I'm still confident in it. The March puts though, I think we might not actually be okay with these. The 390 put possible. The 385 put, that one's probably dead. We did try to play a little bit of calls today, which I wish I held a little long, but let's see what happens. I'm more worried about Hmbl, honestly, but then again, I shouldn't really be looking at it. I'm just trying to figure out why it's down, and I really don't understand. And there's nothing for you to chart, because you're gonna have to compare the prior chart and this chart together to really come to an understanding on where the levels are. And I'm actually very surprised that they didn't just, you know, a huge broker like Thinkorswim, you would have thought that everything was automatic and that this chart will be updated, but guess not. I don't even know if I am up on this. Actually, yeah, I am up on this position, because it would technically be approximately 85 cents, and we got in pretty early. So hopefully that's the case. And hopefully we come back up strong. But I don't know, man. I don't doubt the company. I don't doubt Brian. We did reach out to him hoping for an interview. And again, like I said, if you guys haven't checked out the prior video, make sure you check it out, especially if you are in AITX. There's apparently a lot of news that is supposed to come out next month, and you will get firsthand to this news. I mean, call it insider info, but he's only going to say what is allowed by the SEC. So take it with a grain of salt, or try to look into what exactly he's saying. Again, not financial advice in the interview, not financial advice. Take it as it is and do your own due diligence. But it looks great. I think as long as we break this uptrend, we're definitely going to see some run up. And it looks very curly right now. Thinking we're gonna do something like that. Obviously, that's a very simple drawing, but stay tuned. Hopefully the market dies. And again, I do think that if the market dies, obviously Hmbl and AITX will die too, but those are investments, so I don't really care. And I am pretty deep in these puts, so let's get this money. Help me get to 4,000 watch hours so that I can monetize my YouTube, please. Watch all the videos, have it in the background, play all of them. I need these watch hours, so thank you guys.